Hello traders, and welcome back to this video. We are going to resume our Deriv options market, and today we are going to look at rise and fall market. So without wasting your time, let's go to Deriv. You can as well go to the web browser by typing app.deriv.com, and if you are new to Deriv, I will leave the link in the description for you to sign up real quick. So let's go. If I click on this one, now let me just change my account to a demo so that I can show you everything. So by default you'll be taken to this dashboard, and I want you to make sure options is selected. Safe, this is the other side of trading where we look at the charts, and actually safety stands for contract for differences, so it is something different. So make sure you are on options, then you can select this trading platform, which is called Deriv Trader. So you open it. Okay, so by default accumulators will be selected, right? And this video is particularly about rise and fall, which is under ups and downs. So rise and fall is here, and in this video I'm using a mobile phone. So I also make a different video about rather using a PC or laptop. So you go to rise and fall, then here you can select the asset you want to trade. For this time I can leave it to volatility 100 and 1s, but if you want you can click on that drop down arrow, then you go with any of these. Okay, so since I want to go with this one, I can leave it like that. Once again, make sure that you are on rise and fall. Then here you select the duration. Set your trade and duration. I want you to set it to 1 minute. This is you can as well set it to ticks. You can set it to seconds, minutes, hours, even days, but today I want you to set it in minutes, and make sure you set it at 1 minute, okay, for the purpose of this tutorial. Then the stake, depending on how much you have as your trading capital. Since I'm using a demo with the over 12,000, I can use 100, but if it is your account, you can stake even $1, you can stake $5. The minimum is $0.35. Actually, those are cents. Okay, so once you are done, click on save, right? And you just go here. This chart by default, it will be an area chart, to be like this, to be an area chart. So I want you to click on this option, this area icon, then you go here, you select the candles, and you make sure you are on 1 minute. This 1 minute should be tallying with the other 1 minute of duration. So you also click on candle, then you click on this one to remove it because to be set. So once you are there, so what we are entirely trying to look at, rise and fall, means that, for instance, if I enter a rise, I will enter here on this current price 710. Okay, so if price within 1 minute, if this candle closes bullish within 1 minute, when I had already pressed rise, I will win, and the payout will be in this for 195. That's $100, which is my stake, plus the profit of 95.42. This is over 95%, right? The same price when I click on fall. So those of you who know how to interpret candlesticks, the opening and the closing, the highs and lows, this is going to be simpler for you, right? And if you are new to this and you don't know the anatomy of the candlestick formation, please let me know. I can share the trading bible, the candlestick trading bible, so that you can read it. You know how candles are formed. So as you can see, this has been a bullish move. So if you have been trying to press rise, that would be more wins. So in this case, let's wait. For example, this is a bearish candle. Okay, so what if we assume that in the next minute the candle will be also bearish, and if we enter here, then I can press a fall. As simple as that. Okay, if you believe price will be higher than your entry, you press rise. If you believe price will be below than your entry, you press fall, and the payout will be indicated here. It is as simple as that. So let me just place 1 or 2 trades and we see. And I'm staking $100. The duration we shall be waiting for 1 minute. Okay, let me wait for this candle to close and I place a trade. And that is likely, even if I don't, by the way, wait for the candle closure, because this is a bullish move. I want to see the movement or how this candle, this current candle, is going to close. Okay, it has closed. Let me place sell, rather fall. You can see I'm staking 100. They are going to indicate everything. Okay, and they have already deducted. So let's wait for 1 minute what will happen. And this thing, if it turns red, you are in negative, but they haven't, it is unrealized. If it continues, this thing like a frag is showing your entry. If price goes below, you'll be seeing blue. That means you're in profit. If it goes above, because we pressed fall, it will be negative. So let's wait for 1 minute and we see. Give it a time. And by the way, if I win, I will get $95.21 on addition to the $100 I had as my stake. All right, so I have lost simply because price was above. So let me press another one and we see. Let me also again press fall and we see. So this is the manual way of trading. There's another option of using the bots. I will make a different video for that, but for this one, let's see for a manual way of trading. So as if the trend has resumed, this was just a slight pullback. So you can see this is likely to be a loss as well. But the good thing with rise and fall, it is very easy to recover compared to accumulators and the other types of markets on Deriv. So you can see this is a reversal pattern, right? This is a reversal pattern which has formed to resume the trend. And me, I was predicting it would be below, so it is moving up. So that's a loss again. So let's see for a slight pullback, then we buy. I'll enter 4 trades and we see. Also make sure your network is okay. Okay, by typing speed test on Google and test how your speed is. If it is fine, then you can trade. If it is low or unreliable, then you can leave trading for the day. For example, like my network is poor and nothing is moving. Okay, basically based on my network, I can end the video from here, but I guess you can now get the idea of how to trade rise and fall markets. If you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comment section. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon for more videos like this. And if you found this video valuable, please endeavor to like it. Until next time, keep winning.